Okay, the next thing that we're going to talk about is the multiplication principle. It's the next actual exercise in your textbook, but really we talked about it briefly in the last lesson. So all the multiplication principle is that we just multiply either along our branches or along the possibilities to get the total number, or in other words, the number that's in the sample space, the total number of possibilities that are possible. So if I think about a 3-course meal, and I have 3 entrees that are possible, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 mains and 2 desserts. The total number of combinations, and combinations is an important word here because we're looking at all of the things that are different. So it might not be combinations, it might be the total number of things that are possible. So there are 3 entrees multiplied by 5. Each of those entrees could be joined up with 5 different mains. That gives us a total of 15 possibilities, and each of those 15 can then be mixed up or joined up with an additional 2 desserts. So that would give us 30 different meal combinations. If I have a poker machine that has 5 wheels, and each of those wheels have 12 different pitches on it, how many different combinations of pitches could I get? I'm going to draw the boxes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I know I'm multiplying them together because that's my multiplication principle that we talked about with the tree diagrams. And each of those have 12 different pitches. So in that, I have 12 times 12 times 12 times 12 times 12 as my possibilities. And these aren't necessarily combinations because they may not necessarily be different. They may be the same. But that's okay because it's a different combination of 5. It's not the same combination of 5 because this is in this position and this is in second position. If I think about a number plate, if it's a letter, a letter, a letter, 2 numbers followed by a letter, then I would have the boxes, draw the boxes up. I have 6 positions. If this is 3 letters, there are 26 letters in the alphabet, so 26 possibilities, 26 possibilities, all multiplied together. There are 10 possibilities for numbers. Even though you have 1 to 9, 0 also counts, so that gives you 10. And 10, and then your last position being a letter, you have another 26. So multiplying those will tell you the number of possibilities for number plates. So basically with the multiplication principle, it's going to get a little more complex as we talk a bit more on the next couple of lessons, but you're basically just drawing the boxes for the positions that you have. So count out the positions that you have, and then you're going to multiply them all together eventually in the end. But basically then, the hardest part is just working out how many possibilities are in each position. So if this is a number plate, this possibility is a letter, so it's 26. This is a number, so it's 10. Although this last one is again a letter, so it's another 26. And then multiply them together to get your total number that's in the sample space. So it's pretty simple, and you can now work on exercise 603, questions 3 through to 14.